There comes a moment when a narcissist looks at you and realizes something unsettling. You are not as replaceable as they convinced themselves you were. Not because of love, empathy, or genuine connection, but because you carried something they desperately needed and cannot generate on their own. Narcissists survive by attaching themselves to people who bring meaning, stability, admiration, or emotional regulation into their empty inner world. On the surface, they present as confident, intelligent, charming, even superior. But beneath that image lies a deep dependence on others to feel real, important, and alive. When they meet someone who is emotionally grounded, perceptive, empathetic, and self-aware, it creates a dangerous paradox for them. They need you, yet they resent needing anyone. What makes you so difficult to replace is not perfection, obedience, or sacrifice. It's your emotional health, your ability to listen without needing to dominate, your desire to understand rather than win, your natural empathy, integrity, and depth. These qualities allow you to see life clearly, and that clarity terrifies a narcissist. They can imitate you, mirror your energy, even pretend to be you for a while, but they can never sustain it. The mask always cracks when you walk away, or when they discard you believing they can do better. Reality eventually catches up. They may move on quickly, surround themselves with new people, engage in reckless behavior, chase attention, substances, sex, or validation. Anything to avoid the silence left behind by your absence. But no matter how many replacements come and go, none of them fit the same way. None of them offer the same access to their inner world, the same emotional regulation, the same sense of reflected worth. This is where the narcissist's fantasy begins to collapse. They don't miss you because they love you. They miss you because you represented something irreplaceable to them. Supply, stability, identity, reflection. You were the mirror that made them feel significant. Losing you means confronting the emptiness they've spent their entire life avoiding. Yet even then, narcissists rarely change. They may idealize you in memory while devaluing you in public. They may rewrite history to protect their ego. They may hate you simply because you exist beyond their control. Your strength, autonomy, and clarity expose everything they are not. That alone is enough to make you unforgettable and dangerous in their eyes. If a narcissist struggles to replace you, it is not a compliment. It is confirmation. Confirmation that you had substance where they had performance, depth where they had emptiness, truth where they had manipulation. And the moment you choose yourself, you reclaim the power they were borrowing all along.